Hello and welcome, it's Jilly Cube here. I'm on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with something kind of monochromatic, but it's really nice and easy to do, and it's just a pleasure to be in the art room creating again. As you see, that was what I call a branch slap that I've just gone over, but I'm going to leave that for another day and show you how to do that. It's very effective. So this one is just coating my, it's a 40 by 50 canvas, and I coated it just with the black acrylic, obviously with pouring medium because it's fluid art painting. And the white going across the centre was the Amsterdam white with Floetrol to give those gorgeous lacy cells. You can't really see it at this point until I come down closer because my camera just doesn't pick up the beautiful detail that's actually there, but I will be showing you in a second. So I'm doing this swipe as a background for my planned composition on there. So it's just sort of having something different in the background, a nice lacy background. Now let's have a look. See this beautiful lacy creation that it's created for a background there. It's really quite beautiful, and I could just stare at it all day. It almost looks like there's light shining through it. So now for the composition for the rest of my piece, and it's basically puddling. I think I'm only going to use 3 colours. So it's sort of minimalistic. Let's call it minimalistic. But I think that you're going to like it if you're liking the non-colourful artwork that I normally do. This one's, like I said, a bit more monochromatic. Now this is the, I call it my champagne gold. I make it up myself out of 50% metallic gold, 50% metallic silver, and it makes this lovely, really gorgeous champagne gold. So I will just continue puddling the colours, and then I will use my trusty stainless steel straw with a silicone bendy end, which loads of people ask me, where'd you get those? I think if you look below my video in the description, there's like a little V or a drop down box. I have all the requirements that you'll need to either start your art journey or use the products that I'm using in my Amazon link and other links. And there's also links to beginners videos or sealing your work and glossing or resining your work. So it's all there in the description below the video. So these little straws I get from my local discount store. So no big secret, no biggie, and they're really useful with that like silicone bendy end, I find, for blowing out these botanical effects on your canvas. So on we go with these nice little blown out flowers. Sometimes you can get lightheaded from blowing these flowers out, so just make sure you take a step back, a nice deep breath, and then on your way again. I certainly do sometimes, so just be aware of that and just take care. Talked about everything that was on our mind. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I was going to just leave it with those blown flowers, but I really didn't like the white chunky line in the centre. So I certainly want to break those up, but I kind of will go just a different layering so the colours actually look different in the centre ones. It will be using the same colours, just layered differently. And then we'll see what those look like, but I definitely think that it will break up that sort of chunky white line. I love how the centre flowers have come out, and I'm just going to add a little bit more detail of my other little botanical effects, and of course I'm going to use my balloon. That's what I love doing. You don't have to do it, as I always tell you. It's your rules, your art, your rules, your way, so you do whatever pleases you. But this is my thing and I love doing it, so I just think it finishes off those centres a little bit nicer, puts a little bit more definition in there, and yeah, I think it's really lovely piece actually. So wait until the end, till you see it hanging on the wall, because it does really make a statement piece, and I think you're going to like it. So the balloon there is just a little deflated balloon that I'm using for a little bit more added detail. And then I'm just going to use that little skewer chopsticky thing just to add some softness in there. You don't have to do it again, it's optional what you do, but yeah, it's just a nice, easy, creative piece. I think that anybody would love as a gift, or obviously to sell. Well, my lovelies, I really hope you've enjoyed that piece as much as I've enjoyed creating it. It is a lovely piece, has some lovely detail in that lacing at the back when you can actually see it in person. So enjoyed doing that, and yeah, there you go. Super happy with it. Look how lovely it looks. I couldn't wish for any better. So please take care of yourself. Remember, again, if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please ring a family member or a friend, or if that isn't available to you, a helpline. There is always someone there to help out. Don't suffer in silence. Look at that one. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love it. I'm going to have a bonus video for you at what I do when I scrape paint off a canvas and push on, make something else out of it. So here we go.
How many smiles does it take to be happy? How many times do you have to feel lonely before you get the chance to meet someone, before you get to meet someone like you? How many songs can you write about heartbreak? How to go on when you're fed up with mistakes? Maybe I just found the answers. Maybe I just found the answers in you. Come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand. You're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh. if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me. All of my scars start to heal when I'm with you, and I can't explain how I feel when I'm with you. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me. Just come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand. You're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh, 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 take me away. I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Baby, I just found the answers. Baby, I just found the answers in you.